Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing an S340 mid-tower from NZXT. Really excited about it. There it is. It is huge. It is huge. And just really going to try to show you it from multiple angles, even though my camera can't even handle this. So really neat box. It's pretty heavy. Shows you its features, its specs. There it is from this side. What a cool picture with stuff already in it. And yeah, it looks really awesome. Here's the combination. We have red and black, if you can see that. And now I'll just go ahead and open it up. First thing up is a Windows 7 8 USB drive installation instructions. Ooh, pretty. Here's the front. I'll show you the top. There's a fan, and you have some USB headphones, microphone, power button right there. Show you the side. Looks really good, really cool. Here's the back for your power supply, motherboard, and everything else. Looks really great. So really excited to use this and get a computer built in it. And there's the bottom if you're interested. So yeah, go ahead. Feel free to check out the video description below so you can see this online. The link will direct you to Amazon, and then you can shop for this case or any other cases that you may like better or are more in your budget or anything. So go ahead, check them out. They'll be a great resource to figure out what's best for you. And hopefully it's this one and you're happy with what you see, so then when you get it, it'll be the same as what you see in this video. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next one.